Welcome back to the channel. If you're a video creator, whether you use Shotcut, Kdenlive, or any editor, I'm sure you've experienced this. Your desktop or downloads folder turns into a complete disaster after working on just one video. So today, I'm going to show you a super simple way to organize all your editing parts, videos, audio, thumbnails, exports into clean, perfect folders automatically using one small script on Linux. Let's jump right in.
Whenever I edit videos, I have multiple pieces everywhere. The main recording, facecam footage, background music, voiceover, thumbnail files, and of course, the final exports. And if I dump everything in one place, it becomes total chaos. Shotcut loses file links, I forget what goes where, and finding anything becomes a headache. That's why I started using a neat, professional folder structure. It keeps everything organized, saves time, and makes backing up or moving projects so much easier.
Here's the exact folder structure I use for all my videos. Why do I add numbers like 01, 02, 03? Because it keeps everything sorted, no matter how the File Explorer arranges things. Each folder has a clear purpose, so I never lose track of where something is supposed to go. Now, instead of creating all these folders manually every time, I let Linux do the work for me. I use a small script called createvideoproject.sh. Here's what I type inside the script.
I save this file, right-click it, go to Properties, Permissions, and tick Allow Executing File as Program. Then in the terminal, I run bash/createvideoproject.sh. I type my project name, something like Facecam Tutorial, and boom, all the folders are created instantly.
Quick warning. Make sure you run the script with bash, not sh. sh, createvideoproject.sh, this breaks the folder creation. Bash, createvideoproject.sh, this works perfectly. This is because sh doesn't understand the braces we used.
If you want to go one step further, like I did, you can move this script to your system path so you can use it anywhere. Sudo mv createvideoproject.sh to user local bin create video project. Sudo changemod +x user local bin create video project. Now I can simply go to any folder and type create video project, and it automatically creates a full project setup for me. Super convenient.
When I start a new Shotcut project, I open the folder I just generated, go into 04_project files _shotcut project, and save my .mlt file there. Everything, videos, audio, overlays, stays organized, and I never get missing file errors again. Feels so clean and smooth to work like this.
And that's it. Now you and I both have a pro-level folder system for editing videos, fully automated with one simple Linux script. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. Comment below if you want me to add an automatic Shotcut project file creator too. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart creator tools and Linux tricks. Thanks for watching, happy editing, and I'll see you in the next one.